Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you guys how you can create this Starry Night nail art, or you can say it as Starry Night French nail art using Born Pretty Holo dipping powder. Now before starting the tutorial, there is a news that Born Pretty is having their Black Friday party from 29th of November to December 2nd. And you can use all this code mentioned in the screen for the discount. I will list it down all the coupon codes in the description box as well as the link of the website, so go check it out, and you can also use my code PKL91 to get 10% off. Mention the code during the checkout. Now let's start with the tutorial. Now there's an update for my ring finger that the blood clots had improved a lot and the pain has also gone. There's still few blood clot left which will be cured soon hopefully, and I will do a separate video regarding the update. Now I'm starting this design by applying 2 coats of this red tinted nail polish by Born Pretty, and I'm going to be applying this on all of my nails except for my ring finger and my thumb. Because of the blood clot, I have decided to do an accent design on my ring finger, and also same thing I will do on my thumb. Now for my ring finger, I'm going to apply 1 coat of this black nail polish from Laroy. Now this black nail polish is opaque in just 1 coat, but if your nail polish is not opaque in 1 coat, you can go for 2 to 3 coats. And then let the nail polish dry. Once the nail polish is dry, I'm going to be using this blue nail polish from TS Beauty, and first I'm going to apply the nail polish onto the sponge, and I will dab it at the bottom part of my index, middle and pinky finger. I'm just going to cover the nail area, not the nail bed area. Next I'm going to be using the same blue nail polish and black nail polish from Laroy, and will first apply it onto the sponge and then dab it onto the nails. Now I could have just do the dabbing of blue and the black at the first time, but the blue nail polish I'm using is not as opaque as the black one. So first I use the blue nail polish, just the blue nail polish, and then let it dry, and then I'm using the black as well as the blue to get the gradient. Then I'm going to apply the top coat and I will let it dry. Next I'm going to be using this Born Pretty Holo dipping powder. Now this dipping powder is 3-in-1, that is you can use it as a dipping powder, as an extension, and also for curving. So you can use it as an acrylic as well as for dipping. And in this video I will be using it as a dipping powder. So first I'm going to be applying top coat onto my ring finger, and then using a fan brush I'm going to apply this dipping powder over this top coat, just like this. You can even apply the top coat onto the nail and then dip the nail directly into the bottle. Or you can just apply the top coat and then dust off this powder using a fan brush. Now if you feel like the powder is not enough, you can go for the second coat, that is apply the top coat again and then dust off this dipping powder over it. Now this holo dipping powder contains holographic fleckies, holographic glitter of 2 different sizes. One is very fine and another one is a chunky one. Not too chunky, just a little bit of chunky, and one is very fine and another one is fleckies. So you are going to get 3-in-1. Then I'm going to apply top coat on all of my nails and then let it dry. By the way, all the products I have used in this video will be listed down in the description box, so make sure you check them out if you're interested to buy. Next I'm going to be using this white gel pen by Born Pretty to make the star, and I'm using the Beauty Big Band brush. Now you can make as many stars you feel like for the ring finger and for the thumb, but for the French design I'm going to make just one star at one side of the nails. And then I will cure it under LED torch. And this is the final design. And I haven't applied any top coat over this because it's a gel paint and it looks like beautiful just like that. But if you're using an acrylic paint or nail polish, you can go for a top coat. So that's it for today guys. I hope you guys like it, and if so then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to check the description of this video for the coupon codes as well as link of all the products I've used in this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.